Just pierce a butter container with a hot fork, and you'll remove all the mold and moisture from your home. This trick is simply fantastic. It's a really good trick, and I'm sure it deserves some of your attention. With the help of a heated fork, make several holes in the base of the container. Now, with scissors, cut the part we pierced into a circular shape. This piece will be used later, so we can set it aside. Next, take a container with a lid, where we'll assemble our homemade anti-mold device. Start by adding 3 tablespoons of coarse salt to the container. It's an excellent dehumidifying agent, ideal for absorbing the moisture that causes mold. On top of the salt, place the perforated circle we made earlier. This will be the first filter of our setup. Now, in a separate container, add another 3 tablespoons of coarse salt, but this time, along with a tablespoon of fine salt. The mixture of different types of salt helps intensify the effect against mold. Now we add a special touch, fabric softener. I recommend using a concentrated softener so it also releases a pleasant fragrance into the air. Here I use 2 caps, which are enough for our mixture. The cool thing about this trick is that, in addition to eliminating mold, it also perfumes your home, and best of all, it lasts a long time. Now, take a sheet of paper towel. Fold it in half and then cut it into a circular shape, as we did with the butter container. This paper will act as an additional protective layer, preventing excess moisture from coming into direct contact with the salt. Place the paper circle in the container, on top of the coarse salt. On top of the paper, add a portion of the salt and softener mixture we prepared. This will ensure that the softener's fragrance is released gradually while the salt continues to absorb moisture from the environment. Now, repeat the process. We'll need another perforated circle, slightly larger than the first. To finish, place another paper towel circle and add the rest of our mixture on top. This 3-layer system is essential to ensure the trick works perfectly. To add a final touch and also help keep insects away, we add some cloves on top. They are known for their repellent properties and also contribute a mild aroma that pairs perfectly with the softener's scent. Now, just close the container and don't forget to make a few holes in the lid as well. This detail allows air to circulate, which enhances the anti-mold effect. The softener is ready to be placed in cabinets, drawers, or any area of your home with mold and moisture problems. It will work for weeks, absorbing all the moisture from the environment and leaving a pleasant fragrance. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next time.